And we're back live, everybody, with Crypto Live. Your man, Crypto Leprechaun, here, heading up the helm and leading the way, the path to bigger and better things on this Tuesday afternoon at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Time. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day and even a better day of trading. So we'll wait a few minutes for everybody to, or for at least a few more people to trickle in here, and before we get fired up. I am coming on live here for the closing bell for the stock market. What's up, Famous Cube? And then I plan on taking a little bit of a break after closing bell, and then I'll be back on early afternoon. So wish everybody the best, and hopefully we get a few people in here. We'll see what we get. And go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you guys don't mind. If you're just now watching this, or if you're watching this at a later time, I really would appreciate every bit of help I can get. And we will be rocking and rolling just momentarily here, as soon as we get a few more people in here. Wanted to see how the day closed out. I'm not really sure. I need to see what the stock market is doing now. It is currently up 175 points, so that's good to see. Good to see. And Nasdaq's 85 up, and S&P is up 27. So that's all great news. And yeah. So we'll see how the stock market ends up closing, and we will go from there. But right now we are there's quite a bit of green in the stock market. But not really a lot of movement except for GME. Lordy, that's at 1694, up 1694 to 145. That's probably one of the better gainers of the day, percentage wise. Maybe, I don't know. Looks like U.S. crude oil is back up to $120 a barrel. Everyone's talking about this major crash coming. No. BTC has been sliding sideways for a while now. Yes, it has. It's actually going up a little bit, a tick. But yeah, I don't know. They've been talking about a major crash coming for a couple of months, so I don't know. Not real sure what to make of it, but it is what it is, and if it happens, then like I said, you can never manipulate the market. All you can do is just take what the market gives you and run with it. So, if the market gives us a big crash, then you short. That's about all there is to it. There's not much. It's pretty black and white. And if the market takes off, then you long and pray. But yeah, I don't know. It's just all. It's all what you make of it. And but yeah, we got Doge coming in at 0.0808. XRP is back up over 40 cents. Bitcoin's at 30,424. I got my Doge average to 12.9. I'm still 0.5 behind. It'll drop, or it'll raise. Cardano is at 62 cents. Apecoin's at $6, pretty much almost flat. No, I'm sorry. Ethereum is at 1,813. So we will see. I was kind of keeping an eye on the stock market because it's getting ready to close within 40 minutes, and we'll see what happens there. But got a. I've not been tied to the market today. I've had a lot going on, but I have kept one eye on it and do pretty much know what's going on. So, like I said, I thought I'd come on here for a little bit for closing bell, and then take a little break, eat some dinner, do a few things around the house, and then come back on early evening, probably around 7 o'clock my time, which is 4 o'clock Famous Cube's time, and 6 o'clock a lot of you guys' time, 5 o'clock, between 4 and 7 o'clock. Hardly anybody's on my time. which actually is kind of good in a way because I kind of stream a little bit later. And but yeah, it's earlier for you guys, so it kind of works out pretty well actually, to be honest. So we shall see what's happening. But let's see. Anybody out there in YouTube land got anything going on? If you haven't yet, I really would appreciate a subscription and a like. That would be cool. I would much appreciate that. So, hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody's in some good trades. And I don't know if anybody's even in any trades much. But if you are, I hope you're doing well in those trades. But I am just currently in, what am I in? I'm in a Solana long. I'm in a BTC short, which is not looking too good. But my Solana long is looking pretty good. I got a take profit set at on Solana at 40, 40, 40, 40. So we'll see. It's getting close to hitting it. We'll see if it hits it. We'll see if it hits her. Looks like the volume's falling off a little bit on it. My MACD's showing it's not bad. It's looking like a kind of a sideways MACD, and could be possibly forming a cup and handle here. I don't know what is going to play out here. Small one. Small's not always bad, right? That's a beautiful cup and handle, actually. Or a beautiful cup. Take away the wick. Man, that wicked all the way up to, damn, close to where my trigger was. So, I don't know if anybody else has anything else going on, or what you're all into, or whatnot, but anybody in here, I would really appreciate a like and a subscribe, as helps me to get where I need to be. And I thank you in advance. So smash that button, boys and girls. Smash that button. What's up, Bum Diggity? How are you doing, doll? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Glad to see you in here. And we kind of are actually on Solana starting to form a little bit of a handle. We'll see where that goes. Hopefully up. Right? That's the direction we want to go. Up, up, up and away! I actually would like to go ahead and get out of this Solana position, because I don't know, I've never really been a big Solana fan. It's probably way undervalued, to be honest, but I don't know, it just hasn't really shown me much. I don't have a lot in it. I thought maybe it had a little room. I thought maybe it would go up a little bit more than it has. It's been pretty much sliding sideways since last night. Bitcoin is it slid sideways for quite a while until about looks like around 10:20 this morning. It started to spike up a little bit, and ever since then it's kind of been trickling up. It just now has hit the 200-day MA, and don't know if looks like we might be getting a little bit of a bounce off of that. So we'll see what happens there. RSI is pretty high. RSI is currently at about 78, and does have pretty good momentum with volume apparently starting to fall off a little bit. So we might be seeing a little bit of resistance here as it hits the 200-day MA. I'm guessing it might bounce off of that and come down a little bit for a little bit of a retracement. But we shall see what happens with that. You just never know with Bitcoin. And Solana is forming a cup and handle. Pretty nice one, actually. So we shall see. I don't know. I think a lot of times, sometimes, not a lot of times, sometimes patterns are overrated. They don't always come to fruition. So people hound and hound on. Oh, we got double top, or we got W going, or we got triple top, or we got double bottom. We got Bart Simpson. We got Adam and Eve. We got blah blah blah. Okay, there's a billion of them, and I don't know. It seems like half the time it doesn't ends up blowing up, like coming out of the pattern that is supposedly forming. I know people spend a lot of time hoping and praying for these patterns to come to fruition, and a lot of times they either don't or they don't do what they wanted to do once the pattern is formed. So we'll see what happens, but it is forming a nice cup and handle, and let's see. RSI is in the bullish area. It's about 59. We'll call it 60. Yeah, the MACD is still looking a little sideways-ish. And sure enough, Bitcoin is kind of bouncing off that 200 AMA. So that's the couple of what I'm looking at currently. We'll see what plays out of that. But like I said, I'm not planning on being on here just a real long time. Actually, I'm gonna be on here as long as any other streamer normally streams in a whole day. So, but then I plan on coming back on this evening. So here we go. We get a little pumpage now. Actually, let me take that back. I probably might be closer to 8. Depends on what I do. I really need to stain a table that I have. So if I end up doing that, that might take a little bit longer than originally planned. So if I do that, then it may be just a tick later than I had projected to come back on. So we'll see what's up. What's up? Damn, your subs jumped up almost 100 this past week. I know. I am getting so close. I'm at, 888 now, I think? Part of it is because I've been hounding it pretty hard on my live streams, which has really helped, because I know people probably get tired of hearing it, but I've not had a stream since I started doing that with under 20 likes in a long time. Now, I probably will now because I'm not going to stream that late to this session. But later on tonight, I plan on being on for a while. So, I know it's really starting to take off. I can't wait till I get monetized. They say it's going to be crazy. I read actually through YouTube that before you're monetized, you're only visible to 20% of the people that come on YouTube. After you're monetized, you're visible to 80%. That's a pretty big difference. That's a pretty big deal, guys. that's a lot of difference. So I look for bigger and better things once I become monetized. So let's do this. Let's do it. A lot of people seem to like my channel. I know we have a lot of fun. I know Famous Cube, I know you haven't talked or anything, but you've been in here a lot and you've seen us, and we'll talk about anything, which is kind of a nice break sometimes from crypto and all the hubbub that goes along with crypto. But we always do circle back around to crypto. And to be honest, really, legitly, it's one of those deals where a lot of times we break off of crypto conversation when it starts trading sideways because it's just not really very fit for. You start running out of things to talk about in crypto, to be honest, to be dead honest. So we venture off sometimes, but we, like I said, we always circle back around to crypto. But Bitcoin is starting to rise. Rise, Jimmy, rise. Rise, Jimmy, rise. Yeah, famous. I only need like 112 more subs, so if you know anybody that hasn't subscribed yet, you might pass that word along. Okay, check out my friend Crypto Leprechaun. He's the bomb diggity. Sorry, Crypto Bomb Diggity. I had to use that. Actually, I just looked down and saw your name, so I had to say it. There goes Solana. Now we're talking. Now. Crypto. Sometimes crypto does get a little pump towards the end of the stock market day. Usually it's between 4 and 4:30 though, as people are getting out of the stock market, they're getting into crypto. I haven't seen as much of that lately as we did 6 or 8 months ago, but you still do see a little bit of it. So time will tell. I may have to go get something to eat. I'm hungry. I don't know. I don't know, but I've been told you never grow young and you never grow old. Come on, darling, put a pretty dress on. We're gonna go out tonight. It's one of my favorite songs. Little Steve Miller Band. Look at Bitcoin go. 30,500. Do it. Let's do it. Doing it and doing it and doing it well. Doing it and doing it and doing it well. Well, that was a cup and handle. That was a short-lived pump. Maybe it's not done. It was an itty-bitty cup with an itty-bitty handle. But it was a pretty cup. Look at that. Half of it was red and half of it was green. Alright, we're getting a little bit more bullish on the MACD. Volume seems to be... could be higher. For my taste. Alright, that red candle turned green. We're in good shape. What do I got it on? 5 minute? What do I have it on? I have it on the 5 minute. Correct English here, Leprechaun. What I got it on? What is that? What do I got it on? Yeah, I think I'm definitely seeing some maybe Taco Bell in my future. Pretty near future. Get my belly full. I'll be ready to rock and roll on stream, boys. Look out. May break into dance or something. I don't know. Sounds fun. Doesn't it? It sounds kind of fun. I'm also currently in a, I don't even know if I should say, I'm afraid I'm going to curse myself because it's had a good couple days, but Snapchat options. I do have it through the end of July, so I feel comfortable that it's going to get to where I need it to go before then. And, man, I don't know. I might. I got a ways to go. I'll make some money on it. Man, sometimes it's hard not to take profits sometimes, you know what? But look at that. Cup and handle's playing out pretty well. Wow. I will say that, got it that time. Even if it didn't do anything more, it nailed it that time. Boy, if it could go up to 43, that'd be kill. It probably will since I got out, or since I got a stop loss or take profit. I guarantee it. Guarantee it. But anybody new out there just now watching, I would really appreciate a sub and a like button. Smash that sub and like button, and if you feel fit, ring ding that bell so you know every time I go live. Man, Bitcoin, everything's jumping. Well, my Solana triggered. Probably too early. That's just, maybe not. I don't know. I'll take it. What is going on? Everything's pumping. Pumpy, pumpy, pumpy. Look at everything pumpy. Oh, I know what I was gonna do. Check my, fake pump? Yeah, I think so, to be honest. I think they're liquidating a lot of shorts, probably. I think we'll see and just on cue, I think we'll see a pullback here anytime. Anytime. Maybe. Maybe not on Bitcoin. Is this the almighty God pump? Got 20 minutes left in the market. And then, of course, we got aftermarket. Yeah, we got a drop coming, I think. However, Bitcoin's holding its own. But a lot of the other coins are starting to come down already. Oh, I know what I was going to do. Hope all you guys are doing well out there today. What the hell's that? Do you invest in Crow? No, I currently do not. I did back when it was like in the 40s and 50-cent range. And but I haven't for a few months. I know it's only 17 cents. I can remember, shoot, how many months ago has it been now? Probably about 4 months ago, when they were saying the big debate was who was going to hit a dollar first, Crow or Doge. That's when Crow was trading at about 50 cents a coin, I believe. So I just found that kind of funny today. I don't know. A lot of people are not on the crypto.com bandwagon. It gets a lot of bad rap. I heard it's a piece of crap platform. I don't know personally. I do have it, but I don't pay any attention to it. I don't have any money on it. I will say that they are, Lord knows, they are in everything. Literally, as far as advertisement. They are, I mean, I was watching some sporting, and it's mostly sports, which I'm not really sure the correlation there, but something gives them an idea that they need to be in sports, and they are, big time. Now, FTX is big into baseball. Every umpire has FTX on their uniforms. I believe FTX is big, and Crypto.com are big in MMA. Of course, Crypto.com just bought the rights to the Staples Center in LA, which is huge. Oh yeah, I just saw you put that UFC. Yeah, it's I mean, my God, literally crypto is everywhere. Crypto.com. I mean, so I don't know, but I don't know how that's down, but huh. We got about 15 minutes left in this before this comes to an end. I hope KRS is still in his Solana long. I made my money and I got out. I didn't feel very comfortable about it. Little did I know it was good. Everything in the board was gonna pump. At least I bought Doge last night at 79 cents. That's at least looking good for me. I still think this is a fake pump. I think they're liquidating a lot of shorts, is what I believe. I mean, it happens every day, all the time. You either see it in when things go long like this, or when things drop like a rock, they liquidate a lot of the longs. It's just the strong and the powerful and the people with all the money manipulating the markets. So they'll do this until they find it fit to start shorting it, and then they'll short it all the way down, liquidate all those longs, and then when it gets to the point where they want, they'll go long on it. It's just like back and forth. So what I try to do is I try to find that channel that they are using, and I try to ride along with them. Which, to be honest, I've been pretty lucky in doing so. With a coin called OP. I haven't done it today. I don't even know what it's trading at. I probably ought to look at it. It's done me splendidly well. It's at 121. It's even pumping. But see now, here in a little bit, that would be a good short here in a little bit. If it gets up to, if it would happen to get this high, $1.22.7. Don't know if it would get that high, but yeah, I can see RSI's. It's oversold or overbought. RSI's at 73. Still looking kind of bullish though. It's got the MACD's looking pretty good. Volume's up, so it could go up a little bit more. But definitely keep my eye on that. But right now I'm watching Snapchat as the time winds down on that for closing bell. And I don't know what my option is down, but the stock is up. Options are finicky like that. I don't know. I don't get it. I'd love a nice little pump here before the end of the day. I need to see what the stock market in a whole is doing. Looks like we're up 266 now, so it's pumping before the close here. And so is Snap. Come on, Snap. I'm looking for resistance on OP at 122.7. Oh, I'm out to in my Bitcoin chart. Lordy, lordy. Pumpage. I guess it's trying to meet the big dump that I had yesterday. %95 of investors are claiming Bitcoin is going to crash down to 10 to 20K, so it will be funny if the whales make it shoot back to 40. Yeah, if it does go down to 10 or 20, I could see it pumping first. Because that way the whales would liquidate probably right around a shit ton of people. Investors online, YouTube, and website articles. Yeah. Oh, I know. I've heard it for the last couple months. For sure. I totally agree with you. But yeah, the whales are king, so whatever they portray to happen here will ultimately probably happen. So, what was I just on? Oh, duh. U.S. oil just it will just not go above 120.
Hello?
Yeah, what's up?
On your option, how much time is left? How much time's left?
I got through July 15th.
Okay, otherwise, sometimes they'll go down when you're running out of time.
Oh yeah.
So that,
No, I got like 6 weeks left.
yeah. Um, I was just gonna suggest that.
No, I know.
Hey, my ICP came back into positive range.
Did it?
Yeah.
That's good.
I'm up like $3 or $4 on that bot. I'm telling you should check it out because I'm telling for the last 2 weeks, every day it'll fluctuate like either on the hour or at worst sometimes it does nothing but for the minute candle, but it goes up and down a dime religiously.
What, ICP?
Yeah.
Huh.
Therefore, there's a major scalping opportunity. But the reason I started a bot because I tried to do it manually and KuCoin was not able to futures. KuCoin was not able to like operate quick enough to make sure that I was concerned that I would buy low or buy high and sell low. Actually, without it, because it gets in a range, and then it stays in that range, a dime up, a dime down, sometimes 20 cents, and then it'll either go up or down a little bit more into that, like during the day or during the 24-hour period, and then it'll stay in that range for a while.
Right.
So, but I'm like, my arbitrage is I'm making like 45 cents per arbitrage,
Uh huh.
which is a lot for a bot. I've got another bot running where I'm only making a penny.
Yeah, it
And
just pumped from 706 all the way up to 722, and that
just now,
yeah, now it's got a big long red candle coming down.
right? But as long as is it gonna go below 7?
That's within the last hour.
Oh, maybe
It's at 713 right now. I don't know if it's gonna.
I bought a parameter 7, so I'm making money all the way up and down.
Yeah, no, I'd say you're probably okay.
Yeah, but I'm looking for my Solana to come back, at least get me back even, and then I'll get out of that. But
It just pumped. It should have gotten you close.
that
Do what?
where's Solana at?
4066.
Yeah, I need 45 is what I'm looking for.
Oh
but
shit.
I'm okay though because my liquidation's down around 34.
Yeah, I'm shorting it now. I just longed it, made some money, and now I'm shorting it.
Trading between the 37 and 41 or 42 for a minute.
What's up, Mikey K? Chop, chop, chop. Do you ever sleep, Mikey?
Mikey K, chop chop.
I think you're up more than I am. What's up, Beach Nation? Welcome to the chat. Welcome, everybody. If everybody hasn't yet, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button as it helps me get to where I need to be. Much appreciate it.
Sorry.
What's that?
I'll hit you back about the trailer after bed.
Okay. I'm just staying on for through closing bell for a few minutes afterwards, and then I'm gonna get back on early evening.
Yeah,
I'm gonna run a couple errands and get something to eat. And...
I've got my buddy Jalen coming out to drive me to Walmart because I got a return to make. They sent me my nicotine gum when I did a delivery the other day or an order.
Yeah.
They must have been out of the coated, and I only chew the coated equate and the coated gum, and so I've got to take it back and get the coated.
Gotcha. So anyway, I thought I'd throw this out there real quick. Anybody listening, if you really want to help me out, to get higher impressions, which helps with the algorithm to get more views. Anytime you think about it, if you want to refresh your stream or your when you're watching me on YouTube, just hit refresh because it takes into consideration of if a viewer watches for the first 30 seconds, it counts them as a long-term viewer. So if you reset your stream or your whatever you're watching me on your phone, you may have to log out, log back in, but every time you do that, it resets the 30-second timer, and helps me get more impressions. So.
Also, if they will go to a lot of your previous videos, if they feel so inclined, go whether they watch them or not, go to them. It only takes a second. Go to them and hit that like button.
Yeah, that would help too.
Go through them, especially if you feel inclined to hit it on this video. Just when you're done watching this, just go back and click on his channel icon, and then it'll bring you to his library or his videos posted, and just go down through there and smash all those like buttons. We'll get him out of this basement.
Yeah, I'm so close.
Yeah, I know.
888 now. I picked up 3.
You're about oh nice. You're about what, halfway up the steps from the basement, or more than halfway, 3/4.
No, I'm like 10 steps from the top.
Yeah.
I can see I can almost see the kitchen floor.
I'll post it on Facebook if you want. You were iffy on that, but I will if you want me to.
Yeah, you can, and then I thought about doing it as well, but I'm not gonna do it until tonight because when I'm live.
Yeah, and I'll wait and I'll just share your live tonight.
Especially for sure, do it on Twitter. Anybody out there, please share this on Twitter.
I think my Facebook anything I post on Facebook is still linked to my Twitter.
Oh, okay.
So it automatically. You might want to look into doing that as well.
Yeah.
Anything you post
well,
on Facebook.
No, because I like to keep those separate. I'm
Gotcha.
not much into Facebook anymore. I think it's a scam. I think it's stupid.
Yeah.
It just makes me mad when I watch it, so I quit watching it. It's too fake.
Yeah.
It's so fake. It's ridiculous.
Yes. I mean, there's a lot of
There's
I call them fronting
there's
going.
some good to it, but literally every girl that posts on there is they always I don't know fix up their pictures and it's just so stupid.
Well, the thing that gets me is I'll know a specific woman or girl, and she'll and in real life they're having issues with their significant other, and it but on Facebook, oh, they're so in
Oh
love,
yes. Or they're in love
and it
one day, and then the next day they're calling the cops on them for domestic dispute and
I, but
BS
what I'm
and
saying,
running them through the garbage and
oh yeah, and that's another thing
too
is
much personal stuff on there.
the stuff that people post, none of anybody's business,
Yes.
and I mean, you can tell they're doing it for attention
Oh, absolutely. That's what it is. That's why I don't even give into it anymore.
and or spite.
Yeah. Hey, you think
Um,
Jalen would want to work Saturday?
I just talked to him. I'm encouraging him to.
Okay.
He's not sure yet because he's um, but I indicated that you had a bunch of um little stuff that you needed done because I figured once you get him out there, then he can do whatever.
Yeah.
But I told him the biggest thing you had was um that refrigerator.
Yeah.
Uh, and but I told him that you would probably be willing to pay Kaylee, his girlfriend, because he'll need help like pulling that carpet and stuff.
Yeah.
So I told him I figured you and she could take stuff down off the walls while he was moving some of the office stuff out.
Right. Right. Yeah.
So if you're not willing to, then you need to let it. I'll tell him that you're not. But I figured you would be.
Yeah. I mean, we'll probably need two sets of hands. So.
Yeah, and she's okay. I mean, she's capable and
Yeah.
trustworthy.
And I might help get him out here too.
Oh yeah. Well, either way, he'd want to bring her.
Right.
So I figured I might as well help. But
Yeah.
and I told him to get him somewhat encourage him. I told him that you trusted him way more than the other. I won't name names, but
Yeah.
the other helped me off and on.
Yeah.
Which you do probably don't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think he knows to ask before taking it.
Oh yeah.
Taking.
He would never. He knows the consequences.
See, now my option's up. Weird. Maybe it was just delayed. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, what stock is it on?
Snapchat. It's up 12 cents for the day now.
What's that run? How much is a Snapchat? Because Snapchat's really getting it's big in the younger people.
I got it for yeah, but it had that big fell off the cliff.
Really?
Yeah, because the earnings came out before the earnings came out. Basically, it got leaked that it was had terrible earnings,
Right.
so it was way undervalued, and so I didn't think it would be down that low forever. So
No, and if they did have how bad were the earnings?
I don't know. It was bad.
Bad as far as like just not meeting expectations.
Yeah.
But I mean, they're still like, in my opinion, they're still in their infancy as far as figuring out their monetization.
Oh yeah. I just didn't think it would be down. I mean, it was down to all-time low, and I just didn't think it'd hang down there very long.
No, I don't, and it's going up.
I mean, it's been as high as $80, and I got my. I know it's kind of high, but I got it at $22.
The stock was trading at 22, or
No, I've got the option at 22.
what's the stock trading at right now?
15.27.
Oh, it came down from 80 to that.
Well, I don't know when it was at 80, but
Yeah.
oh no, I'm sorry. It was 259. Is all-time high.
And it's trading at what now?
$15.
And What's your strike price on your option?
22.
And how much was the option?
21 cents.
Oh shit! Yeah, you're pretty far out of the money, but July you ought to be okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
What's
What's up, Ape?
now? What up? What up, Ape? What'd you say?
No, I was nothing.
No, what'd you say? Was it trading at the option?
Oh, it's right now it's at 16 cents.
Yeah. I think you ought to be fine on that. You got a stop loss set
No,
or a take profit?
no.
You probably. I try to usually put a take profit in of double my money. That way, in case it wicks up or pumps.
Yeah,
You know, however you want to do that. But
Crypto Ape says he's got a long on SOL. I did have, and I took profit. And now I got a short on it. So we're tug of warring, brother.
your short though is real. You're looking at real short term, right?
Yeah, I'd like to scalp it.
Yeah.
CR3PO says, I sent 1 ETH to Elon and he hasn't sent me back 2 yet. Why is he taking so long? Ha!
He also said, "Can I buy a cat with a Dogecoin, or does it have to be a cat coin?"
Nice. Anybody out there that hasn't yet, I really would like to, apologize or appreciate. I can't even talk today. I really would appreciate a sub and a like. If you could smash those buttons, I really would appreciate it. Dude, it's pumping. It's up. I'm up 25%. Yeah, no, I took a huge profit. I just thought that was the top.
On SOL.
Yeah, I thought 40.95 was the top.
Short term, you mean?
Well, for now.
I mean, because I think that, like we said last night, no, he said nope. What are you saying, Ape?
I gave you a Litecoin, Kerbo. Nope.
A light. He's saying he gave you a light, I think.
Yeah.
I don't know what Abe is saying nope about. I'm trading
I think
hourly, okay.
I think he thinks it's gonna go up higher. Apparently, I don't know.
He said 25%.
He says he's up 25%. I'm
Yeah.
trading on an hourly.
Crypto Abe, what was your entry? Whoa, Bitcoin, 31,169.
It's dropping pretty good now, though.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, on the, it dipped a little bit, but only $100. By 1 minute, it shows it's going back up. Bitcoin.
Well, yeah, I guess it is now.
Where did you buy it at, or where did you do your short at, Lep?
I got it at 40.3.
Cause it went up, it got up to 41,223. Now we're at 40. At least on KuCoin, we're at 40, 80, 82. It's got a lot of volume, looks like right now. It's moving pretty good. Does everything have that much volume? Yeah, I guess everything's there's a lot of volume. Period right now, isn't it?
His entry was 39.611. What's up, Murillo Design? I haven't seen you forever. What's going on, brother? That's right. Hit that like button. I would, Ape, but it would not let me watch other people's stuff because I'm the creator, I guess. That's what I've heard.
What, Discord?
Yeah, I can never watch anybody's anything.
Really?
The only thing I can ever really see is, like, if they put, stream their webcam. I can see the webcams.
Yeah, but you might want to make sure. See, that might be in a setting. XRP's up today. You see that?
Yeah, well, I saw it was at 40.
It's at 41,634 right now.
Good. Yeah, I see that.
Up 4.3%. Luna Classic is on its way. I think it's gonna almost go down to. It's gonna gain another zero for long.
Yeah, it's crap.
Off the volume list now on KuCoin. Luna regular or Luna, whatever you want to call it, Luna is on the volume list, but it's down. It's halfway down where it was about third or fourth.
I heard
But now,
Dogecoin went private on Twitter. I don't know if that's true or not.
oh wow, Solana's number 3 behind Bitcoin and Ethereum on volume.
Murillo Design says, been a bit for sure. Had a lot going on with family these past few weeks. Graduations, birthdays, traveling, back to crypto now. Right on. Glad to have you back. What's up, MPEG? What's going on, bro? Crypto Ape says RSI is at 58 and pointed up on the hourly. SPY, nice movement. Yeah, we got a lot shaking right now. Lots of shaking.
Yeah, Luna Classic is down another 27% today, down to 407244. Man, should have shorted that. Can you believe we were in it? We got out, or I got out at one point with 2 zeros. 4.
Wow.
I think you did too, maybe, or got out part of yours.
Yeah. BTC gonna break yesterday's highs on the daily for my measured move on the end of the bear market on June 4th.
Was I the only one on your poll that said it was gonna be 32 whatever today?
Yeah, I think so.
Everybody else put what, 28 or 29,000? Is what I think the poll winner was.
And Pepin says I think it's gonna be 32.6. Well, everything's gonna keep going up as long as Bitcoin keeps going up.
I'm with you, Pepin.
I got out of my Solana short. I just didn't like it. I hate Solana. I don't know why I even got in it.
I understand it and I know I've done it, but shorts just fuck me up anyway. I don't like that train of thought of having to think look and think about it going down, you know what I mean?
You get used to it.
No, but especially when I guess what I should say is when I'm in more than one position and I want one to go up and one to go down, I get freaking all turned around sometimes in my mind.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Lep. I wasn't trying to trade against you. I've been in this trade probably before you went short.
Oh, no. You're good. It was when I got into the short, things were different. It wasn't looking as bullish.
Well, as long as Bitcoin keeps up this action, I think I'm going to stick in this short for several more hours. I'm looking for 43 to 44 for an exit.
You mean long?
You mean long?
Yes, long. Sorry.
Well, that's the other thing. Bitcoin. I thought Bitcoin might have been done, and it proved me wrong. Because they had a big red candle down. I thought, okay, here everything's gonna start.
The RSI on Bitcoin for the hourly is at 73, so we still have room to go.
Yeah, it's at 81 on the 10-minute.
It's on the 1 minute. It's at 86. No, 78.
Yeah.
What about?
I don't pay attention to the 1, the 3, or the 5 really.
Yeah, I understand. I just like it because to me it's more like real time. Like, but Bitcoin, It's
I mean,
moving.
if you want to make some bigger numbers, definitely look at the longer time frames.
Yeah.
It depends on. I think it depends on what you're in it for. I mean, if you're trying to scalp.
If you're in for quick little scalps, definitely the short time
Yeah.
frames. I'm in for the swing and the long.
Yeah.
So I like to get the bigger 20, 30, 40 percenters.
Yeah. Don't get me wrong, I like that too, but Bitcoin, I mean the volume right now, have you noticed the volume pick up?
No, I haven't even looked at it.
Yeah.
31.3 now.
Yeah, volume is tremendous on Bitcoin.
Everything. If you look at across the board volume, it looks like it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Let's fucking go.
Yeah, let's do it.
And it's going crazy right now. Bouncing around between 31,295 or 290 and 31,330.
What's up, Mikey K?
Sorry, go ahead.
Shit, I might have to be on here longer. Everybody keeps coming in.
Yeah, absolutely. Yo, Mikey K. Chop. Bitcoin did you see where it wigged up to 31,513? About 5 minutes ago.
Yeah.
On the 5-minute Bitcoin, it looks like we're forming a nice double top.
On the 5-minute Bitcoin?
Yeah.
I haven't looked at it.
And on the 15-minute Bitcoin, we're showing 3 nice big red candles up. Pretty good size. With good volume.
Well, you really don't. If you're bullish, you don't want a double top, but.
Oh, you don't, do you?
No.
But on the 15-minute, there's no double top.
It's not even close. I don't think it's close on the 10 either. Oh yeah,
No,
yeah,
it's
it
a
is. Yeah, it is.
But
I don't know.
On the 30-minute Bitcoin, that's where I'm pick up to 31,513, and now it's forming a pretty good green candle there. On the 30-minute.
Oh god, they're already talking about decks. What's chop? Breaking the poke her deck? On the deck? It's a big deck. Like a big shoe? Oh lordy. Already on the decks. Hey, I'm already up in my Solana long.
You sold a short and bought long?
Yeah. I literally, I did not have hardly, I only had like $50 in my short. So that tells you how confident I was in it.
Right.
So I lost like $2. But I just made almost 20 in the long I had before that, which I should just... Now I know I should have stayed in it, but I had a take profit set from when I slept on it, and I forgot to take it off. It was one of those deals, all of a sudden it's gone. I'm like, oh, fuck. I was like, oh, okay, sure. I mean, at least I made money.
Yeah. When that happens to me, I have to hurry up and go look at my history because I'm afraid that it liquidated.
Yo, Lev, let me get you Uber Eats, Starbucks. No, man, thanks, I appreciate it. I'm gonna take another rain check, my friend.
That'd be like a $20 bill to get Uber Eats Starbucks. That one drink.
Yeah. Actually, I think all we have is DoorDash, isn't it?
I think we have Uber Eats maybe. But the thing is, in a small town, not people are not working all the time. In other words, there's not always somebody around.
I think DoorDash is pretty hopping.
Yes. Cause see, they deliver for Walmart too.
Talking poker card decks. How many decks in the shoe? Thought maybe that's what chop means. LOL. Well, are you talking Poker or blackjack? I didn't know there was a shoe in
There is no shoe, is there?
poker. I don't know.
Dogecoin 1M. Yes, this channel is hopping.
What's up, Doge One? What's going on? It's getting there, my man. We're making progress. I'm so close. Anybody out there that hasn't yet, please like and subscribe. It helps me get to where I need to be.
Ring a ding ding that bell.
So you know every time I go live.
Literally, that's why I'm on here. I had a notification you were on. I was like, oh, I get on there.
Nice.
Without that though, I probably wouldn't see a quarter of the time. You know what I mean?
Yep. And if anybody out there is listening, I found out through research I discovered that if you're on YouTube, if you don't mind, just every once in a while rebooting, whatever you want to call it, your channel, refresh. If you want to refresh your stream, it helps my algorithm because it resets the. Apparently, if you watch for 30 seconds, it counts it as a long-term view. So, the more of those I have, the more it helps. So, if you think about it, every once in a while, just hit that refresh button. Would be awesome. Please tell me you're out of that short. I hate to see my friends lose money. Oh yeah, dude. I got out a long time ago. I'm in the long. Like I said, I'm making money now. Doge 1. Got my wife into crypto. Now she holds Doge, Algo, ETH, and Grit. Nice. Merlot Design. Refreshing now. Awesome, brother. Thank you.
Sorry, I don't mean to keep talking over
you. You talk over a lot of people, by the way.
I apologize. No, it's just hard on here sometimes because there's any kind of lag, and it trips me up. But he also said Doge One said he hit the like button up there a little bit higher.
Okay, nice. Thank you guys. Every little bit helps. Refreshed. Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Fred, you coming to Vegas? No, Mikey K. I've been to Vegas so many times, and I'm saying that with the humility, but I've been there probably in the last 15 years. I've probably been to Vegas 100 times, and with work, with the entertainment business, and I didn't even gamble out there. I mean, I'm okay to get to Vegas, but I'm happy to leave. It's just one of those things.
In Pepin, it's just brotherly love. He told me to be nice. He told me to be nice to you.
Okay, thanks, Pep. Appreciate you hitting my back there. I just get excited, and that's why I talk a lot or interrupt people or whatever.
He said that's kind of... Yeah, YouTube is a rather large delay. I'm not sure how to fix that while I'm live. It's usually 4 or 5 seconds is what I consider
it's all good.
Normal.
Four or 5 seconds or tens of or
4 or 5 seconds is normal.
Yeah. Man.
But it's like I don't know. It's a lot now. We're talking like I'm not sure how to fix that.
You run a speed test on your internet lately?
No, it was fine last night. I check it every once in a while.
Yeah. Where do you go to speedtest.net?
No, I just raise my hand and I count. And I can see when it comes up on YouTube.
You need to go to one of these websites where it tells you the actual bits, the how much you're uploading and downloading speeds.
Yeah.
Because you may be, and of course you come out with Metro or MetroNet, and you may not be getting it.
I don't know. I do know. I think MetroNet sometimes throughout the middle of the day seems to have some lagging problems.
Right. Well, you need to... They might be able to fix it for you, though, what I'm saying.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. Evan says check your internet speed.
What's the anybody know the website to do that? I can't remember. Shit, it's the tip of my tongue.
That speed test.
What is it?
Google internet test.
You're roboting. I can't hear a word you're saying.
Is this better?
Not really.
Oh, let me see. There. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, is that better?
Yeah. There was one that was internet speed test.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I turned my Wi-Fi on.
There was one website, I'm not sure if this one will or not, but it would tell me the incoming and outgoing.
They all do.
No. This one will. It's slow.
It may be something with your router or something. You should not be slow because you've got fiber optic.
Downloads 42 Mbps. It should be around 100, I think.
Wait a minute. What do you know? What level you have?
If it's not a top, it's second to the top.
Because they offer a 1 gig that's $60 a month, and they offer a 500 meg that's $50 a month.
I pay $70 a month.
You ought to be at least.
My download is 42 and my upload is 51. I think I've been around I'm usually around 100.
Yeah, but it should be more than which one is 100?
But usually both of them are right around 100, I think. Yeah, it's my internet. So the only way to fix that is to reset my... The hell's that?
Go to Metronet's webpage. They've got their own.
I'm at 300 in Montana. He said that's horrible. I know the 40s is horrible.
My download, I just ran a Metronet speed test. My download is at 626.
Alright, I don't know why I'm paying 70, but 1 gig is $60 a month.
I was saying.
I don't know why I'm paying 70. I need to call him.
My upload just clocked in at 23.6.
I'm getting, the lowest one they've got for $40 is 100 MB. And I'm only getting 40? I'll probably need to reset my router. Are you on wireless? Yes, sir.
You should be hardline to stream, and I agree with that, probably.
Yeah. I've got that cable, I think, that you still brought over.
Still have that? I've got a big, a pretty long,
But I can't reach the back of my damn computer.
Oh. I'm getting ready to turns with Gill in here a little bit. If you want him to swing by and him do it.
Yes, that would be wonderful.
Tail end of or you want to do that first, or?
Oh, it doesn't matter, because I don't know. How many people are on here? Shit, there's 7 people on here. That's a good thing, but I was going to take a little bit of a break.
I'll get hold of you when we're out. He's heading this way anytime.
It'll only take him like 5 minutes to do it.
Correct.
YouTube is down anyways. It is?
I think he means down in I think he means in speed, but I'm not sure. Because I've got it up on me. I've got it up. He said never. Ape says never stream via Wi-Fi.
You're probably right, Ape, but you're gonna laugh about this. But I've done it for about 6 months.
But that it may really help your latency.
You're probably right. I've got a cord. I'll do it. Have fun figuring this out. Wish I could help. Good night. Okay, well, thank you. No, our channel is stuck now. Not working. Over reset a bunch now. Still not working. Okay, now you're running on your tube. I see you. Do that speed test again.
He says he bet it's better, but
You would think Metronet would have a speed test on it. They might.
anyway, go to the very, very bottom of their webpage, Leprechaun, and you'll see in that little list, very, very, very bottom, there's a says speed test in that list. You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's a pretty good one, actually.
Oh, I think this is the one I used. And we're off. Here we go. Bam, 48 download. Jesus.
That's awful.
That's not even. That's less than their very bottom.
I know. I was getting on Comcast. I was getting 626 download and 23.6 upload.
And I'm getting 48 download and 48 upload. That is terrible.
Your upload's way better than mine.
Maybe upload's not that bad. Actually, what Crypto Apes? What did he say his was? It wasn't extremely high either. $989 down, $943 up. Not quite the 1 gig advertised, but close. Damn, I'm not even close to that. I mean, mine would be lightning fast at that compared to what I'm doing. Maybe, will direct line, that should improve it, shouldn't it? At least a little bit?
Yeah, it will.
And if that doesn't do it, then I need to call him anyways, but. Well, that's depressing. Downloads suck. Surprised I can see you. I'm getting high 500s and I'm on wireless. I think one thing is I either need to reset my router or they're having issues in my area. It's usually not this bad.
If you go to the help on Metronet's site, it gives you some reasons why it could be issues and stuff to look at.
I'm not going to go through all that BS. If I have problems, I'm going to call their ass and get them out here because I've never even gotten close to 1 gig, and I've been paying for 1 gig for a couple years or over a year.
Yeah, but if it's your deal, as far as you need to wait till you get it hardwired and then try it and make sure it's not you.
Yeah.
It could also be your ancient
I know
computer.
I probably do need to reset my router, but routers burn out. Well, this is only about a year old. The only way to do that is to reset my stream, which we're down to 4 people, so I might do that.
Has it been reset since you called me saying you didn't have internet, and I came over there and you realized you thought you were on auto pay, but you were it didn't. You weren't. Has it been reset since then?
Yeah, I'm sure I have. Mine lasts about a year or 2 max. Really?
I got a lot more out of my Netgear that I had.
All right, we're dropping down now. I've only got 3 people watching, so I'm gonna try to get this figured out, and I'm gonna be back on early evening, guys. So much love to you guys, and happy trading. And like I said, I'll be back on around 7 or 8 p.m. my time, Eastern time. And in the meantime, I will be working on getting this all figured out. So much love to you guys. What?
Hit me up. Sorry, hit me up if you need us to come by.
I do need you to come by.
Okay, the hardwire.
Yeah, because I can't reach the back of my computer.
No, I know. I just didn't know if you were going to reset your modem and see, but we'll do it anyway.
It needs hardwired anyway.
Yeah, I'll hit you up when we're out.
Okay, sounds good. Now, is it going to be midnight, or is it going to be...
It can't be midnight. Taylor's got to get home and be at work in the morning, so it within the next couple hours.
Okay. All right, guys, peace out, and check back in with me about 7 or 8 my time. So, I don't know, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, whatever time your time. But much love to you guys, and peace. We'll catch you on the flip side. Happy trading, and remember, always, always, always make good decisions. Go Solana. Peace.